I'm a car mechanic. I love cars and I often refit them. The sense of creativity really makes me excited. But there will always be a small problem with the cars. After all, it's not Optimus Prime. In daily maintenance, we need to be strict. Because a small screw could be a crucial part of maintaining.
Some people may ignore such small details. Too many complex accessories makes the car difficult to disassemble and reassemble. Well, WF020X really helps me a lot. It makes this tedious work easy. For me, that means I can spend more time to do other work.
Greatly improving my work efficiency. Maybe I can get off work early and go and buy myself one of the new Star Wars movie tickets.
The flexibility of the cable is great, which allows the camera probe to accurately extend into different confined gaps. With WF020X special camtail tech, the maximum focal range is up to 15.7 inches, which means that I can see more clearer images and analyze problems accurately. And the lens is upgraded with Blue Art tech. It can effectively reduce the overexposure. Look, no matter how dark the inspection area is, images can be seen clearly. For the continuous work, WF020X won't let you down.
It provides 4 hours endurance. It's excellent.
These 3 practical accessories really surprise me. They help to fix some problems without making efforts to dismantle the machine. Twice as much can be accomplished with half the effort.